Hi guys, it's the Nep King here and welcome to my new series of Neptunia videos which is called Wake Up IFNCH. What this series is about is I will be covering the problems with the Neptunia franchise, which in no doubt there are very unforgivable flaws which never get fixed, which is very unacceptable and embarrassing, hence the possible reason of why the Neptunia franchise is losing its popularity. It's because of this type of treatment our fans receive from the developers, which in my life, I have never seen or discovered such a thing like this. The treatment we received in the Neptunia's franchise in certain games, which looks fun but has low quality of the game functions and glitches, which makes the games look attractive, but in reality it is not good. If you guys don't know, or if you're new to the Neptunia franchise, you can check out my facts video which has some background of the franchise in the beginning of the video. There will be multiple videos covering each content and its flaws, seriousness of the flaw, and my recommendations to improve. In fact, I have content from Neptunia that I will be covering as I'm very pissed off about that fact, and so are others, which is the Neptunia and Friends app that I will be covering in my first episode, and that is where you will find out how bad our treatment we received from the developers and how it recently has gotten worse. Anyways, stay tuned and share this video to others, and don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in my next videos.